I got Oculus Quest 3 controller, and both controller have issue on the stick. So in this video I will try to fix stick drifting for Oculus Quest 3 controller. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer. So don't forget to give me like, subscribe or follow. First thing first, I need to open this plastic piece, and after that I will take the stick and clean it. Just be careful. I need to take thumbstick and clean under the thumbstick. I will show you guys. Before you clean it, I use contact cleaner from WD. This is for electronics. Don't use something else because maybe you damage the controller. So try to use contact cleaner for electronics parts. And you need to use it around the stick. So it's like that. This side and also this side. After that, just try around the stick, right and left. It's like that. It should be good. So let's return all the parts back and the job is done. The controller is ready. Everything is perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.